right between the eyes. Everything I've ever loved is someday gonna die. The one and only constant here is time, and every single moment carries me closer to mine. I'm not gonna live forever. Even now my face is lined. Death's not gonna lose the tether. I just hope he takes his time. I guess that I just like the ride. Every moment that I lived for arrived and then was done. With it went the feeling that I longed for. It left me all alone to wait for more. I'm not gonna live forever. I just like the ride.